Hello there and welcome. I'm Ole Brøgger, and if you're new here, I really hope I'll earn your subscription today. I brought my son here, he's almost 15, and his name is Kristian. And he just loves these ecosystems in a glass or a jar. And today I got something very special that a friend of mine sent to me. His name is Apolloz, and he is running the homepage Miniscape, where he combines these ecosystems or terrariums with tiny miniatures. So we better get started. Okay, Kristian, you made these little ecosystems. Can you tell me something about them?
Yeah, I made these probably around a year ago, and they're pretty much just self-sustaining ecosystems which just kind of live by themselves.
Okay, well, I'm quite excited to see what Apolloz got us. I got this awesome package here, sent from the UK. Ooh, very well packaged here. Wait with that one. See what's else inside. There's a tiny envelope. And there's another little jar in here.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. I think that was it. Let's start with the envelope. There's a letter. Hey, Ole Brøgger. Firstly, thank you so much for supporting my small business and helping Miniscape to grow. I hope you and your son love the dinosaur and the paint job. It was very fun to do. There's a dinosaur in there. If you need any help sourcing plants or terrain materials, please let me know. I have included something extra for you to enjoy. Thanks, Ryan, aka Apolloz. Let's start with the little one here. It seems like we got something special here inside. Ooh, minifigures. Oh, they are tiny.
Oh wow, they're really tiny.
There's a base. Oh, I think it broke its wing.
Yeah.
Well, I can fix that.
These look like microraptors. But
With wings?
Yeah, they had wings, but I'm not completely sure. But they look like that.
I think we'll put them back, secure them, because these are very fragile and tiny, and we're going to have to fix them. But that's not a problem. And then we have the big one here. I'm very excited about this. Do you want to do it?
I mean, sure, if I know how to. It's packaged.
Just don't break it, it's glass.
Wow. Oh, I think I see something.
Yes, there's a tiny little box in here. And this is a miniature, I think Apolloz, he painted it. He did it on live stream. I will throw a link down in the description to his channel.
Oh,
look at this.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
That is so beautiful. What a beautiful work.
Can I hold it?
Yeah, just hold it in the little stick there.
Okay. Wow. And the orange on the top.
Yeah, it's just a lovely job.
I mean, even like the details on the fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now we just need to put in some soil and some plants, but we don't have that. We better go shopping, and I know exactly where to go. We just arrived here outside Plantorama. It's a huge store where they have a ton of plants for a garden and inside your house. They also have some animals, fish and other stuff, and we are going inside. now we did our shopping and we are on our way home and put these plants in the mini terrarium. Okay, we are back from Plantorama and we got 3 different kinds of plants here. And these should be some of the best for this project. We also got some soil here. I will let my son Kristian do the work with the big one, and I will take care of the smaller one. I also need to repair those very tiny little dinosaurs. And I must say to Apolloz, this is an amazing paint job he did on this dinosaur. What do you think, Kristian?
Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. Like, just the small details, like on the fish and the osteoderms here on the top. Like, it's beautiful, and the coloration.
That's so cool. But let's get started putting in some plants and soil. I also got some of my basing material. All stuff is cleaned and it should be ready for this little terrarium.
Miniscapes in the window, little world in a circle of glass, tiny fern in a forest of gravel. You stretch slow, I just sit and laugh. Dirt under my thumbnails, fog on the inside wall. You keep waking up a new shade of green. I keep thinking I'm small. My pocket miniscape in a dome, whole ages on my desk at home, watching it turn into shape, making a miniscape. Apolloz is watching from above, leaf by leaf, your rewrites. Got a mini dinosaur in jar, sleeping in your mossy floor, evolution in a bowl of glass. Everything's growing up, life is coming up. Sun slips in like spotlight, beads of water cling to your veins. Little roots tap, tap on the glass now, like you're asking me for more rain. I press my face to your bubble, see a jungle in a teaspoon of soil. Plastic teeth from a cardboard age, lost in a garden that outgrew the toy. My pocket miniscape in a dome, whole ages on my desk at home, watching it turn into shape, making a miniscape. Apolloz is watching from above, leaf by leaf, your rewrite. Got a mini dinosaur in jar, sleeping in your mossy floor, evolution in a ball of glass. Everything's growing up, life is coming up. Here in this small, small space, you still find room to climb, turning seconds into seasons, turning minutes into time. I thought I built you, but you're building me instead, teaching me patience while you lift that little head. My pocket miniscape in a dome, hey, whole ages on my desk at home, hey, watching it turn into shape, hey, making a miniscape. Apolloz is watching from above, leaf by leaf, your rewrite. Got a mini dinosaur in jar, sleeping in your mossy floor, evolution
And we're done. And I think this looks so awesome. What do you think, Kristian?
Yeah, I mean, I think it looks awesome too. I'm very happy with both of the results.
Yes.
And thank you so much to Apolloz for sending these beautiful terrariums, or whatever you call them, like enclosures, so we can do these, and sending this painted dinosaur. I mean, it's just awesome.
Yeah, I think he did a wonderful job doing this. Thank you so much, Apolloz. And if you want one of these or some of these, you can go to his website. I will leave a link down below. And you just have to be aware that if you are outside the UK, you have to buy the soil and plants by yourself, because we are not allowed to ship those. And thank you again to Apolloz for sending these. And if you already haven't done it, please hit that subscribe button. I will put it over here this time. And it is actually down below. And give me a thumbs up if you like some of this stuff here. This is it for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.